Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Get ready to embark on a mind-blowing journey into the vastness of the cosmos as we explore the cataclysmic event of two stars colliding in space. Brace yourselves for an awe-inspiring celestial spectacle. Before we dive into the breathtaking collision itself, let's take a moment to grasp the incredible forces at play when the stars come dangerously close to each other. As these colossal celestial bodies draw near, their immense gravitational pull begins to interact, causing them to orbit each other at increasing speeds. Eventually, the gravitational forces become so intense that the stars can no longer resist their mutual attraction. They hurtle toward each other with tremendous velocity, setting the stage for an extraordinary event. When these two stars collide, the universe witnesses an explosion of cosmic proportions, a supernova. In this colossal burst of energy, the stars release an astonishing amount of light, heat, and heavy elements into the surrounding space. The luminosity of the supernova can surpass that of an entire galaxy, captivating the eyes of astronomers across vast distances. Astronomers, equipped with powerful telescopes and space observatories, eagerly await these rare events. By capturing the moments leading up to, during, and after a star collision, scientists can glean invaluable insights into the nature of the universe. When stars collide, they unleash an abundance of heavy elements, such as gold, platinum, and uranium, into space. These elements, forged within the hearts of these celestial giants, are scattered throughout the cosmos, eventually becoming the building blocks for future stars, planets, and even life itself. It's astonishing to think that the very atoms that constitute our existence owe their origin to these magnificent celestial events. After the supernova, the remnants of the colliding stars merge, giving rise to diverse celestial objects, each possessing its own intriguing characteristics. These remnants can range from a more massive star to a pulsar, a highly energetic neutron star, or even a black hole, whose immense gravitational pull bends the very fabric of spacetime. Every star collision contributes to the rich tapestry of our universe, shaping the cosmic landscape and fueling the ongoing cycle of stellar birth and death. And there you have it, an extraordinary glimpse into the captivating phenomenon of stars colliding in the depths of space. These celestial collisions remind us of the unfathomable beauty and complexity of the cosmos. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic adventure. If you found this video awe-inspiring, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mind-expanding content. Until our next exploration, keep gazing at the wonders of the universe.